Dealing with meeting traffic, oncoming vehicles on narrow roads or tight spots requires a mix of awareness, patience, and proper road positioning. Here's a simple guide. Look well ahead for oncoming vehicles, parked cars, or obstructions. Spot passing places early on rural or single-track roads. If the obstruction is on your side, you should normally give way. If the obstruction is on their side, they should give way. On single-track roads, use designated passing places to allow others to pass. Approach potential meeting points at a reduced speed. Be ready to stop or pull in if needed. Keep to your side, but adjust your position to allow space. Never mark the pavement unless it's an emergency and safe. Use your indicators or flashing headlights briefly to show intentions. Make eye contact with other drivers when possible. Let others through if it's safe or easier for you to do so. For more videos, please like and subscribe our channel.